Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix FaceTime not working, activation and connection errors on your MacBook. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Method 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your Mac is connected to a stable internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or Ethernet. FaceTime won't work without an active connection. Method 2. Restart your Mac. Sometimes a simple restart fixes the issue. So go ahead and restart your Mac, then try opening FaceTime again. Method 3. Sign out and sign back into FaceTime. Open the FaceTime app on your Mac. Click FaceTime in the top menu bar and select Settings. Under the General tab, click Sign Out. Click Sign Out again to confirm your action. Wait a few seconds and sign back in using your Apple ID. Method 4. Check date and time settings. Incorrect date or time can cause FaceTime activation errors. To fix this, click the Apple menu and open System Settings. Go to General and select Date and Time. Here, enable Set Date and Time automatically and Set Time Zone automatically. Method 5. Update macOS. Make sure your Mac is running the latest version of macOS because updates often fix app-related bugs. Open the System Settings. Go to General, Software Update. Update and install any available updates. Method 6. Check for FaceTime restrictions. If you are using a work or school device, FaceTime might be restricted. In that case, you may need to connect your IT administrator. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.